Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be fixing Waffle Fry Chicken Bake. What all goes into the Waffle Fry Chicken Bake? One 1-pound 8-ounce package of frozen broccoli, carrots, cauliflower mix in cheese sauce. I didn't have a big package, so I've got 4 smaller packages that are 10 ounces. 1 22-ounce bag of frozen, fully cooked chicken breast strips. I have 40 ounces here, so I'll be using about half of that. It is uncooked, so I will cook it first before we get into the recipe. 1 can condensed cheddar cheese soup, 10.5-ounce can, and 3 cups of frozen waffle fries. Alright, so I totally forgot about the seasonings that go in there. So we'll need 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to be using 1/4 because I like pepper. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 400. Take a 9x13 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Take a large bowl and mix everything except for the waffle flies. Take a large bowl and dump everything in the bowl except for the waffle fries and mix it until fully combined. That's actually about half. I'm going to throw in 2 extra.
Do waffle flies add protein?
And then I have 3 bags of the vegetables in sauce. I'm going to use all 3. I should only use about 2.5. But since I got extra chicken, I'm going to add extra veggies. And then hope it all fits into my 9x13 pan. And the main reason I'm doing that is this is the cheese sauce thing. It'd be hard to do half. Then add the 1 can of cheddar cheese condensed soup, the 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. And mix that all up. Alright, so I've got it mixed up. The chicken is still a little bit hot. I would assume that you might want to cut it up. The recipe did not call for cutting up the chicken, so I didn't. And also, you want to get the frozen bag of fully cooked chicken. I just grabbed a bag and it was not cooked, so I went ahead and cooked it. Take your prepared pan and dump in this mix. And spread that around. And actually I'm thinking I'm going to put the chicken more out towards the bottom. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Next we'll cover it with foil. And put it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, I took it out of the oven. So the last step is put the waffle fries on top. And this is 3 cups. We'll put it back into the oven for another 25 minutes until heated through and the fries are crisp. So after 25 minutes, I went ahead and put it under the broil for 4 minutes to get it a little bit more brown and crispier. So here is the waffle fry chicken bake. And to round out the meal is buttered toast. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Waffle Fry Chicken Bake.
It's good, like the vegetables in there. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.